The majority of Macola customers run their business on Crystal Reports. Crystal Reports is a great reporting tool for getting to your data, but the deployment can be very difficult. With Agility, we can launch Crystal Reports right off of the menu. Let's launch the OE invoice reprint. On the filter on the right, we have the invoice number, which is a parameter on the Crystal Report. You can take any Crystal Report and with the parameters define a filter. For this invoice number, we have a starting and ending. We've built a search into this to go right into Macola. So here are the invoices in Macola. I can select invoice number 104 and we'll end with 106. So click OK to run the Crystal Report. So here we have the standard OE invoice reprint from Macola. But now we want to edit the invoice. So close the order invoice in Agility, minimize Agility, and we're going to go over to Agility Design Studio. With the company login, we'll log into the same company that we use for Agility, and for our project, we'll go over to OE Views, and we'll search for our OE invoice reprint. And for the report definition, we have refresh, edit, and export. So the first thing we want to do is export the report. This will take it out of SQL Server and bring it to our local directory. So it's going to ask me if I want to make that the default location for this report. So click yes. So now when I click the edit button, it's going to look for it in that directory. Okay, so now with the report up, I'm going to make a simple little change. I'm going to insert picture and insert the WiSys logo. So it's important to note that we support Crystal versions 8.5 through version 11. So if you're using any of those report versions, you simply click edit and it'll pull it up and then you can make these changes. So I'm just making a very simple change. We'll save the report, close it, and refresh. Okay, so we successfully updated. So I'll minimize the Design Studio. We'll go back to Agility and we'll run the same report. And we'll just use the same filters. So there you have it. It's very simple to use Crystal in Agility to deploy Crystal reports throughout your whole entire organization. And we use the simple menu structure and security of Agility then to deploy it throughout the organization.